Hey, what's up guys? So today I just got my new CTS turbo air intake system. We're going to be installing it on the Audi S4 today. So let's get right into the video. Alright, so we're out here on the Audi S4. It's a 3.0 supercharged V6. We have the stock air intake. Today we're going to be taking this out and putting in the CTS turbo over there. So before we do that, we're going to go ahead and turn it on and see what it sounds like. Alright, so we got the old air intake out. So now we're gonna see what we got in there and then start installing. Alright guys, so we just finished installing the CTS turbo cold air intake. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see how she sounds.